Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I've got the ultimate Yandere Simulator outfit tutorial for your next round in DGI. So let's learn how you can perfectly recreate this iconic, slightly unhinged look and make a killer impressions on the judges. So now let's just get started. First, let me show you the hair that I use for the look. You can use this updo, then combine the bangs from these two in here and color it all black. Now let's make the outfit. So first I'm going to put on the skirt, this one, and change the color to this blue color in here. You can copy my hash code. And then for the top, let's go to the dressing room first and put on this uniform. Toggle it into shirt only. Don't change the colors, just leave it as it is, but combine it with the color from this top. So toggle it into just color, and now change the color into blue, like this. Combine with white. Okay, so this is for the top. And now you can put on this top from the currency items and use this pattern, so it will look like a blood splatter on the shirt. You can use these patterns in here. And now let's grab this knife for the accessory, and for the knife, toggle it into high and change the second preview or the knife color using the same patterns like this shirt, so it will look like blood. Now just put on the shoe. So for the shoe, I'm going to wear this Mary Jane shoes in black, and then you can go put on the socks, make it high strip socks, and change all the color into black. It will go like this, and this is the full outfit of Yandere Simulator in Dress to Impress. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.